is Ashtanga Yoga. 8 limbs of yoga. The 8 limbs of yoga system of ignorance of the outer and the inner. Patanjali classification of the classical yoga set out in his Yoga Sutras. Yama, it is ethical to Hinduism and can be cause of moral imperatives. The 5 yamas of Patanjali in Yoga Sutra. Ahimsa, Satya, Astya, Brahmacharya, Abhidharma. Yama, it is second components under Patanjali Yoga Patra, which includes virtues, habit, and observations. Some of the Yama are Santosha, Karta, Avadyaya, Aishwarya, Pranidhana. Asanas, please provide that one hold to feet of time, staying relaxed, staying comfortable and so I will try to ask you.
Guys, this is not a demo for this thing, it's a presentation. You want to do that, all the asanas? Okay, finish it first in the PPT, then let's go. Guys, it's not a theoretical and a practical thing, right? It's what?
Pranayama is controlled to the use of confusedly regulating the beat imperfection of the was extension of the empty was Pratyahara is the process of introducing the secondary externalization of external substance. The introvert wants to stop being controlled by the external world. Switch on attention to seeing self-knowledge and explanation, freedom to do one's inner world. Dharana, being controlled, introduction of focus and mindfulness of mind. Dharana are these limbs of yoga, holding one mind into the particular inner state, subject or topic or one's mind. Dharana, meaning with regulation, observation, meditation. Dharana is integrally regulated. Dharana one geared to other. It is the process of mind which is distinct from dharana. Meditator become actively into focus. Samadhi is being the other joint accompanying with animal hormones trains. Meditation on an object. Only the object awareness is and the awareness. The one thing meditating is Samadhi is to support object of radiation must samadhi without support of an object of radiation. Right.
You want to do asana? Okay, do.
First one. Vastrasana asana. And Veerabhadrasana.
You have to tell that what is Danu. Danu means like a bow, right? Huh? The second one, what is that?
Vastrasana
Means what? That I know, yeah, but tell me that each asana it has like Dhanurasana, Padmasana, there are many things like Savasana, like a dead body you have to do, then Padmasana, like lotus, something sitting. So what is that Bandhasana? Bandhasana.
pain.
Okay, next, Veerabhadrasana. What is that? Veerabhadra? Okay.
This is a Veerabhadrasana.
You have to explain, right, what is the Veerabhadrasana? Veerabhadrasana, one type,
Type
Hey, this is a Surya Namaskara. You are saying that you are cheating on your mistake.
second is
Huh? Veerabhadrasana, second two, you are doing Surya Asana, then how can you see Surya Namaskara?
Veerabhadrasana.
Hey, this is a Surya Namaskara, yeah?
This is
Do that again.
different, bro.
Huh? All people they know very well about asanas. Okay, then do that. Since you said that you are going to do, we believe that you know very well, but you are no.
This is type 2 Veerabhadrasana.
Ah, see how I corrected. Okay, go ahead.
This is Surya Namaskar.
Ah, that is the Surya Namaskar. There is no Surya Namaskar, then you are doing.
Sasana.
Tell me first, Bhujangasana, how can you do? What is Bhujanga? Where you have taken this one? Even Patanjali thing, there is no, only the eightfold path, then only he told talks about Ashtanga. Okay, Bhujangasana. Halasana क्या है?
Bhujangasana.
हाँ, tell me Bhujangasana. Okay, Bhujangasana. Halasana. Halasana. Bakra kata number.
Okay.
Explain number. This is Halasana. Oh,
This is Savanasana.
okay. Dandasana, what is Dandasana?
This is Dandasana.
Oh, Danda. What is Ustrasana?
This is Ustrasana.
Ustra.
Balasana.
Balasana.
Pending.
Balasana. This is Vikrasana. Vikrasana. Yeah. Yatha Vikrasana anta Surya Namaskara சொல்றியா?
Surya Namaskar has like 10 steps.
Acha, this one is like generally it is starting right first. Two types are. Generally we practice the Surya Namaskara and everyone. There are 10 steps. Okay, fine, good, nice. Then you are